Well, we didn't know if it was open earlier. Braving the storm. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew. Knocked over a bunch of stuff and brought alligators to our rooms. Yeah. Connects it to, yeah. Watch out for snakes. There it is, Old Point Royale. Those guys are hoping to outrun the hurricane. They're practicing for it. All this stuff going on, why would you want to jog around the resort? Oh, I guess nothing to do, right, babe? Woo! I'm not sure if any of this is getting heard, but because the wind is so strong.
Yes, baby.
Olivia, let me see your face.
No, don't touch it.
Ooh, it's a big bruise. Olivia, does that feel nice? Relaxing. Okay, look that way. There's one. Look the other way. Look this way. And no earring. Oh, you need to go buy you some earrings. Okay. This one, it fell off. That ear, it fell off. That one's still on, but the other one fell off. Yeah. So we're gonna go buy you another one, okay? Disney one? Okay.